Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks we will make this 3D model. This is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front view, left view, right view, and this is the bottom view, and this is the section view at this point, at the whole section. Actually this is the third angle projection. Okay, I will start from this bottom plate along with this part, circular part, only this circular part. Okay, dimension in the top view you will see this dimension 250, 150 is this one, 150 is this one, 40 is the radius, and this portion, and this arc is 100 mm, and these dias are the 80 and 60 mm. I will make first this bottom plate along with this circular part, this one 80 and 60 mm dia, and this angle is actually this angle from here. This is the 160 degree. If you will see here in the bottom view, 168 degree. Okay, let's start. File, new, part. Okay, part is the actually default template, and background plain white. Unit system is from here. Select millimeter, gram, second. You can select any other system as per your requirement. Top plane, sketch. I am taking first. I am drawing two circles here. This one, two circle here. One is another circle. This one. Right click, select out of this. This dia is 80 mm only, and this dia is 60 mm only. Okay, this one. Now take a line from this quadrant, vertical, this, and move cursor ahead, and then bring back this one. This one, and this, move cursor ahead and then bring back this one, and click somewhere, right click, out. This line horizontal. Okay, now select this arc and this line, tangent relation. Okay, this arc, this line, this is already tangent. Okay, this line and this line tangent. Okay, and now dimension. This dimension from here to here as per drawing is 150 mm. Okay, this dimension is 250. Okay, and this dimension to this dimension is 150 mm. This one. Okay, and this dimension is 40 mm. This is 40 mm. This is 40 mm, 150, 250, this one, and this one. Select this line, this arc, and this circle, tangent relation. This arc and this line, this is already tangent actually. If you select this tangent, this also tangent. Now sketch is not fully defined. One more dimension. As per drawing, this dimension and this dimension. This is 160. This is 160, and one more, this radius. This radius is 100 mm. This sketch is fully defined. This arc is 100 mm. Both are tangent to this circle. This is 40. This tangent and this angle is 160 degree, 50, 250. Sketch is fully defined. Now, in the sketch mode, go in the future, extrude boss base, because there are the more than one close boundary. Selected contour, this one, this one, and this, also this one, both only inside, inside portion, ring portion. Okay, and extrude 20, 30, no, Does 10 mm, 20 mm. 20 mm only delete this race, only this part. I am selecting this contour only. Clear? This one, upward, up direction. You can reverse from here, but I am reversing as per requirement. This one. Now select the same sketch. Select. Now this, select this one. This one, extrude boss face. Selected contour, this one, inside portion. This one, inside portion. You will see here. And this time, as per drawing, this is total 100 mm. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10, 100. This. From this is this foot. This is I have made. This one. Okay. This I have made. Now, if you see the drawing, there are the holes here. These holes here. This counter bore holes here. These 4 holes counter hole. 2 holes here, 2 holes here. And this is the main die 10 mm, 15 mm is the counter. And this distance are given 50, 50 and 30 mm at a distance of 30 mm. This line is also, and total length is 100 mm. This is at a distance of 50 from this center line of this thing. This one, okay? Now, let's make this one. I will make the counter bore hole through hole wizard. This one. Hole wizard, there are various types of the holes. I am selecting this legacy hole. Here you select the counter bore holes. Okay, main die is 10 mm. Main die is 10 mm and depth is up to next. When you select this option up to next, you can't change this thing. You will see this option, this warning comes here. Okay. If you select the blind option, and then you double click, this depth can be changed. Now, I am selecting next up to next option. Next means end of this surface. Okay. So in this case, you can't change up to next option. You can't double click. Can't change. Please note this thing. And this is the double click counter bore die. That is a 15 mm, and depth is 5 mm. Okay. Main die 10 mm up to next 15 mm counter bore, a depth of 5 mm. Now position. Select this face, normal. This one. Now you will see blue indication is coming. It means hole is activated. Now I am right clicking out of this. Select. Draw a line here. This one. This one. Right click, select. Again. This line. Okay. Select this one. Now you click this point. This point click. Hole will be activated. You say blue indication is coming. One hole is here and one hole is here. This one. Okay. Right click, select, and dimension. This dimension to this dimension 50 mm. This dimension to this dimension also 50 mm. And from here to here, that is the 30 mm. Okay. Fully defined. Now hit right button. Shift this one. Now hit right button. The hole is activated. You will see here. Now another hole. Hole wizard. Hole wizard, same legacy hole, same parameter. Counter bore, same 10 mm dia, main dia, depth up to next. Okay. In this case, you can't change this thing. 15 mm counter bore, 5 mm depth. Now position. Position. This click normal. Now you will see blue indication is coming. It means hole is activated. But I am out of this. Select. Right click, select out. Make a line here. This one. Right click, select this line, shift this line parallel line. Okay. Now smart dimension. This line, this distance is 5 mm only. Okay, this is 5 mm. Total length, this to this, 30 mm. Okay, this total length 100 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Now click this star point. Now you will see hole is activated. One position this, one position this, and hit right button. Hole is created. Okay, another hole is at the center of this arc. How? Hole wizard, legacy hole, counter bore, main dies 20 mm. Double click 20 mm. Okay, depth is up to next. You can't change it at this time. Double click, your warning comes here. Okay, you can't change it. You up to next means end of this bottom. This dia 40 mm counter bore dia. Okay, 5 mm depth. Okay, these are the parameters. Select position, select this surface, normal. Again normal, this one. Now bring your cursor near the arc, you will get the center point and click here. Hit right button. This one. This is counter bore holes are created. Now next, if you see this, I will make this portion. This dia is the 170 mm. Okay, this at the straight portion, this straight portion I will make here, and this is also a rib, extrusion portion. Okay, 170 mm dia, and this rib is 20 mm here. This rib is 20 mm here, you can see, and this length is 120 mm, 125 mm. Okay, this one. How? Select the straight portion. This straight portion, sketch, normal. Now center line, this one, move your cursor and then bring back. Radius will bring back. This radius comes, this and join this. Okay, this one. Now line, this line, construction line from the midpoint, join this one, and select this line, shift this line, and symmetric relation. Okay. Now smart dimension, this dimension is outer dies, radius is 50 mm, radius 15 mm. Okay, now this line vertical, this one, smart dimension, this line 125. Sketch is not fully defined. One more dimension from here to here, that is 180 mm as per time. This one. Sketch is fully defined. You will see one more circle here. This is 170 mm. This die is 70 mm. This die is 70 mm. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Now, future, extrude boss base, selected contour. Selected contour, this portion, this one, extrusion is taking place towards my side, but reverse the direction from it. Dimension is 20 mm extrusion, this one. Okay. Now, again, now this side, select this face, sketch, normal. Select center point, select this circle and center point, this is 100 mm. Okay, this one. Now select inside circle, convert entity. Okay, now extrude this, select selected contour, this one mid portion. This from this side, that is only 5 mm. If you will see the drawing, 5 mm only. Okay, and reverse direction. Direction 2. Direction 2 is 80 mm. 30, 40, 60, total 80 mm. 80 mm. 80 mm is this side, 5 mm only this side from this surface. Okay, and hit right button. This is made. Okay. Now, if you see the drawing, this one, you will see there is a offset of at a 10 mm. There is a cut. Here you will see the section view at a distance of 3 mm. At up to depth 3 mm at a offset of 10 mm. There is a bottom cut here throughout in the whole surface bottom. How I will cut this one, select this bottom face, this sketch, normal, offset, but is going outside, reverse the direction, dimension 10 mm, hit right button. Okay, this is created, and this depth of the cut is future extrude cut, that is only 3 mm. This one, and hit right button. A cut is made. This one, you will see there is a cut of this. Okay. Now if you, there are the ribs, you will see here. One rib is this one along this circle. That height of the rib is 50 mm and width is, all the ribs are of 20 mm width. Height first rib is 50 mm. Angle is 45 degree. Here is right hand view. This is 45 degree angle. Okay. I make all the ribs. This is the mid one. Okay. This one. First, I will make the rib here. Right plane is sketch normal. I draw a line here. This one, you slightly extend here from this one. Slightly extend, and you give a suitable dimension. This is 1 mm only. Otherwise, rib will not be proper. This one, and height from here to it, dimension is, that is 50 mm as per drawing. But sketch is not fully defined. Angle, this angle and this angle, this is 45 degree. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Now rib, future rib. There are 3 options. One, if you see in this way, it will move. It will make the one side. This is another side. This is the both side equal. Width is 20 mm. 20 mm width. Direction is inside. Okay, and hit right button. This one. This is making. Now I will make the 2 ribs. One is this side. One is here this side. Okay. How? Now I will create a plane. First, to make the axis. This axis is here. Now make a plane. I am making plane. This one, select this axis, and another reference is right plane. But this is parallel, perpendicular, and select parallel. This one, this plane. I have created this plane here. Okay, select this plane, sketch, normal, and again normal. I will make this view, this from this side. Okay, line from this point, this and this. Okay, and this angle to this angle is 30 degree as per drawing. This one. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Again, future rib, this option, middle one, 10 mm, 20 mm, both side equally divided. Both side equal, total 20 mm. Rib. Direction is going up, but reverse the flipped material side, inside. This one. Rib is created. You will see here. Now another rib I will make here. Same plane, sketch normal. This one again normal. This side I will make this side. Now line from here, this one and this point, this one, and select. Again you slightly extend inside, and this one. This dimension you take a suitable dimension. Suppose I take 10 mm. Sorry. Suppose 1.5 mm. 1.50. That 1.50 mm. Now this one. And height is from here to here. It is 50 mm as per drawing. Sketch is fully defined. This one. Now rib, again rib, future rib, this option, middle one, 20 mm, same depth. All the ribs are 20 mm width. This one, but it is material is coming outside, reverse flip side, middle side. This one. This is the rib is created. This one. You will see this way. You have to extend slightly inside so that rib will take place properly. Okay, this one. I have completed all the things here. You will see here I have made this part, circular part, rib, whole portion. I have made this one, and this also I have made this one, and whole wizard I have made. I think nothing is left, but I have not shown the fillets here, so we can apply the fillets here. How I will apply the fillet? This one, this one. You can apply the fillet here. Fillet and constant radius fillet. Fillet is only 2.5 mm, for example. 2.50. Actually, in the engineering, there should sharp edges should be must be avoided. Okay, this is a major critical factor, critical defect. So this, suppose I select this one and this one. No, I select individually everything. This one and this one and this one. This one. This is provided. Same way, fillet. This. This, 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 this one. Fillet is provided. You can also provide here fillet, this one, this one, you can avoid also provided fillet here, this one, this one, this one, this one. Also provide the fillet here, this one and this one, this one. In this way, hide the plane, select it, hide it, and hide the axis, hide the temporary axis. Okay, this way, this I have made. You can give the suitable color also from here. Future Tree Manager, click this thing, this one, appearance. You can select from the here appearance, this one, appearance, and metal, steel, brush steel. This one you can apply this color here, this one. Okay, so in this we conclude here. We have learned the extrude feature, extrude cut feature, rib feature, hole wizard feature, offset feature, and this depth cut I have made in this one. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. You please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.